Good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Hope you're all doing great. I know I lost my promotions. My son deleted the scene, so I got to redo it. Just noticing that now. Wild. So what do we got? Yuck, Bitcoin. Yeah, I ain't got nothing to say about Bitcoin. Once it leaves this range, then I'll have something to say. So what about NASDAQ? This is pretty sweet. Few hours till open. I mean, we have this big giant inefficiency and we closed below both these consecutive candles. We are in a premium. We have tentative NFP for the week. So I would like to see us reprice down to here. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna have two grades on, okay? Because there's this too. That's funny. Just like that. That's freaking funny. So basically, I'll be aiming for this week for the previous week's low. And my cider's ready. Okay, so I'm not going to have that on the chart. Maybe you want to. I'm just going to have that price point in my mind. And that upper quadrant of the larger fair value gap here, that's the close of this and the low of this candle here. So that's the fair value gap. And then that's the new week opening gap in the discount of the fair value gap. Perfectly, by the way. Probably random, I don't know. So this will be the first place that I'm interested in looking for, you know, some repricing to the upside. I do want to see this broken eventually, but just now I'm going to use it for a resistance point until we get into our sell side liquidity or perhaps the new week opening gap. So it's going to be like these gaps haunt me when they open and they don't want to get repriced to, like this one here. I guess it was on the weekly chart. You can see it a little more prominent here. It was just open and up only. No repricing in there. Yeah, I'll be there. And yeah, they haunt me. So it's like, yes, we could go, but if there's no reason to go down there, then it won't. So we just kind of got to see what's going on. So we'll go back to the daily chart and let's pull. Well, let's figure out. That'll be the open day, right? So basically this guy here. And that high. And that's our 20-day look back period. So I'm just going to eliminate this for now. Okay, the discount of our 20-day look back, I'm just going to eliminate. I'm going to note that the midway point of our premium range, I'm going to use this as my equilibrium. Okay, so it'll look like this. Just wipe this all out. And then this will be our discount and this will be our premium. So going into the week with all these levels on our charts, we'll open a new candle here. And then I would like to see us come down. And then do we make a run up this week or do we wait for the week after? So I'm still bullish, not bearish at all, not even a little bit. I like that wick too. I'm going to have that on. No, I'm not going to have it on, but I've got it in the back of my mind. Because it's below the new week opening gap. I don't want to see us lose this. If we lose this, I'm immediately aiming for here. All right, so those are the levels. And I know that that upper quadrant of the fair value gap is my equilibrium point. So these are all the levels I'm interested in for now. And yeah, you guys have a great, safe trading week and be blessed.